Hi, my name is Anthony Cueto from Karman Healthcare. Today we're going to show you one of the best chairs that you can get out there right now. It's a manual, lightweight, ergonomic wheelchair. It's our Ergo 305. Again, that's a S-Ergo 305. And right now this is actually the best chair with lightweight features that has quick release wheels, tons of features that make it compact. You can use it anywhere, take it anywhere. So I'm going to start from top to bottom. Here we have our soft rubber hand grips to make it really easy and comfortable for you to push. Okay. You also have a folding backrest, which would allow it to be really compact when you're folding it up, say for storage, or if you're going to put it in your car. That'll work out really good. You also have flip back arms that have a contoured and custom fitted arm pad that makes it a lot more comfortable for you to rest your arm in, just like that. It's also contoured so that you can get a lot more range and motion when you're pushing the wheel. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you the flip back feature, which is easily done just like that, and it gets out of the way so you can slip right into that chair when you're transferring in out of the side. You also have on that armrest a height adjustable feature that you can move up or down really simply by this little lever here. Okay, this is an easy lever for you to adjust it up or down. Swing away footrests that actually do swing in as well. They swing in and out. So say if you're at a party, you don't want to trip anybody, it's an awesome feature to have just to be able to be more safe. I'm going to go ahead and show you the foot loops, the heel loops actually, for the footrests. Now what they do is they're able to adjust to different sizes of foot or length of feet or legs, so that it makes it extremely comfortable and keeps you safe from your feet sliding back behind the chair. I'm also going to show you right now a very nice feature that makes it unique to the market, because it's actually a removable antibacterial upholstery that repels any stains, odors, or bacteria. Underneath that antibacterial upholstery, a very strong mesh upholstery that is breathable. And so on those very hot days, it'll make it an excellent chair for you to be able to stay cool and be in the chair for a very long time. I want to go ahead and show you it folded up. So what I'm going to do is flip up the foot plates, remove them, and go ahead and fold down the backrest once again. When you're folding it up, you want to pull it up from the inside, so that way your hands are safe. Very compact chair. And now I can actually show you the feature, the number one feature of the actual S-Ergo 305, which is an S-shaped stealth seat. It actually makes an ergonomic chair. I mean, we've had so many scientists actually do research on this and pretty much prove how much it releases pressure, makes it more comfortable for you to sit in, and keeps you from sliding out of the chair. Now this is the number one feature. Nobody else has this. This is patented in over 20 countries. You'll never see another chair like this. This is an awesome feature that nobody else has out there on the market. It'll make your life a lot easier when sitting in the chair. It'll make you want to sit in the chair for a lot longer, and you don't have to worry about slipping out when you fall asleep because it's so comfortable. A couple more features I wanted to show you at this angle would be a extendable brake. The way you would extend it is just by pulling it out. It slides up and down very easy. You can even pull it back when it's slid out, and it'll give you a little bit more leverage. Okay. Here you have another feature that makes it a really awesome chair, which is its quick release wheels. These quick release wheels are so easy to take off that all you have to do is push this button right here and they slide right off. So it's seat height adjustable. You have 3 different positions that you can adjust it to, between 20, 19, and 18 inches. What you want to do is actually adjust these when you adjust the seat height. What this will do is actually keep your clothes from getting caught in the wheels. It'll also keep you safe from any mud or water or anything like that. So when you're getting in and out of the chair, You want to make sure that that's as close to the wheel as possible so you can slide in and out of the chair. This is really, really durable, flexible, good for pretty much any type of weather. And so really this is a big safety feature that a lot of chairs don't have. So again, this is the best bang for your buck that you can get out there in the market today. Being that it's only 29 pounds, it does so much, allows you to go anywhere that you want. I think that this is a really great choice. Again, this is our S-Ergo 305 ergonomic lightweight wheelchair.